my tongue till it starts to bleed. Swallow silence like it's therapy. No more prayers for the enemy. They're carved in me. They're haunting me. I wear a smile like a mask I hate. Wounds don't heal, they just marinate. All my ghosts, yeah, they congregate in the dark where I suffocate. These war pains, they echo in my chest. Another day, another breathless test. You break me, remake me, then leave me the same. I'm drowning in shadows and whispering shame. These war pains, they don't fade. They don't fade. I built these walls from my regrets, stacked them high to forget your threats. But every brick just holds your name, and every crack still calls me insane. I scream inside, but no one hears. This smile's just rust on all my gears. You wanna fight, just take your place. You're one more ghost I have to face. These war pains, they echo in my chest. Another day, another breathless test. You break me, remake me, then leave me the same. I'm drowning in shadows and whispering shame. These war pains, they don't fade. Was I ever enough, or just a means to your end? A casualty wrapped in the words you pretend. I'm not your savior, I'm just what's left of a man at war with his own breath. No more pains, only scars to death. These war pains, they echo in my chest. My last stand, your final test. You use me, abuse me, then blamed me for pain. I'm rising from ashes, I'm breaking your chain. These war pains, they make